these motherfuckers.
Bitch, I respect boys, don't talk to me crazy. I don't get searched, I got a Glock when I'm walking on stages. I want her all little friend, I ain't talking to babies. Yeah, and we can work it out. Brothers got 10 more pounds, I think he working out. Stop trapping, had to get a job, cause it wasn't working out. Started rapping, 8 months later, I got 100,000.
Big Digger, man. Simple, man. Simple.
Simple, man.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday,
Kids. We the best in Africa.
East Africans.
What?
What you got on, bro? From the bottom to the top.
Yeah, this the one. This the one where you hold that bitch like that.
Hey, let me see up on that shine, cause I know
How you hold your
shit?
shit?
I just be holding it.
Okay. I was gonna hold that, but I ain't want this bitch to come off of here. On my mom.
Hey, this nigga just had porn on his phone.
Part 2, jumped off most shit to jump on my nigga. Come on now.
For real, they don't even know, man.
We out here,
We
man.
go way back to change.
Fucking changing, nigga. Fucking first grade.
That's crazy.
First grade,
I really
bro.
don't remember some of that shit though.
Man, what? I remember.
I tapped
Bro,
in.
the only thing I remember, bro.
Look.
You, Peter.
Man, I'ma shout your shit out, bro.
Y'all niggas stay hooping in the gym. Y'all niggas stay hooping, bro.
I ain't like that's when hooping was fun, nigga.
Hooping was hard. I ain't gonna
Nah,
lie.
I ain't gonna lie.
I ain't never used to hoop with y'all niggas though. I never used to play none of that shit.
Actually, I do remember. I don't think we did for real.
We used to be in class throwing crayons and shit.
Dude, I was bad as
Hey,
shit.
you was bad as fuck, bro.
Vlog, I was bad as shit
Hey,
as a kid.
this nigga was bad as fuck in first grade, bro. Swear to God, second grade, third grade, this nigga was bad as fuck. Throwing crayons across the class and some more
I'm
shit,
so glad I
bro.
changed, nigga, bro. I was doing dumb ass shit.
No, literally.
But that's because niggas was bored in class. We was doing shit.
No, nigga, $1. These bitches $6 ain't free.
Oh, this me. Look, this me for $1. $6. I love my babies to death. He right here though. I got him. He already here. We out here, man. You know what it is, man. Lonzo, man. 2 months since my baby passed. We out here though, man. My nigga Joe. Man, they out here deep as hell. Hold on. Yeah. Oh, nigga. Hey, I'm sending to the vlog now. On my mama. They killed that fucking fool. They killed that shit.
It's a dog.
I ain't even get no chicken.
It's a half a dog left.
A half a
Hold
damn
on.
dog. A half a damn dog.
What is this?
A half a
What is
damn
this?
dog.
But it's really that light fucking it up. Like if
that
you
light
get
in?
over here, you'll be good.
Okay.
Yeah, like hold it and then that bitch focus like that.
Oh, so I can tap that?
Yeah, you just tap you.
Oh yeah, say
just
that.
focus
Say
on
that. Say that.
Hey, get them
Say that.
to talk about boxing.
Y'all niggas can't even. Y'all niggas can't even fight, bro.
Hey, man, I
Hey,
can't
yeah,
wait to
let me
see
talk
it.
to AJ camera actually. You see how they come like that? And let me see.
Hey, I know who I'm getting her to fight.
You said what, bro?
You see how they, you feel me? We just come BTA. We don't do, we belt the ass, say that.
That's what they doing. That's what they doing.
Young niggas versus the old niggas, man.
Then we hold on the court.
Oh my god.
Hey,
Old niggas.
my nigga AJ, you feel me? We up for Zode. Whole lot of 4-way, 9-way, gang, Freedom Boys. You feel me? Hold on, ain't nothing on the back. They got the African chain too. You feel me? 224 shit. You feel me? We own that.
Shout your channel.
Oh, my channel. Oh, Mohammed Dumbuya, man. I got 200 subs right now. We trying to get 1K by next month. We got a big boxing match coming in Nipsey. So be ready. If these little niggas ready, they gonna fight, you feel me? $500 for the winner too. AJ, 500 for the winner, right?
$500 to get your ass beat. Who won it?
$500.
$500 to get your ass beat.
I got a little issue with it.
So you got hit.
500.
We shut shit down.
Yeah.
Man, get
Hey, you used to box,
We
didn't
shut
you?
shit down. Yeah, look, yeah.
Man, that ain't fair.
No, that ain't shit.
It's the only nigga boxing
That ain't
over
shit,
here,
bro.
bro.
That ain't shit, bro.
Got the gloves, bitch.
For an hour and 30 minutes.
The fuck? He got some gloves. He could have been made this shit happen.
I ain't gonna lie, I want to make this happen. What?
Deal, man. So we can't get 16, nigga.
16 what?
Bars, nigga.
I ain't gonna lie,
Alright,
whenever
give me a
y'all
beat,
your
right?
ass, we just call my
Nigga,
phone.
fuck a beat. We don't need a beat. We hop out tripping on the beat. Freaky bitch suck the dick with no teeth.
Yeah, fucking ski. We don't need no ski. They know it's me. Hop out ARP. Shoot a nigga in his fucking teeth.
Keep going. You know niggas freestyling. Fuck it. I'ma come back in. Tap go. He go send about 10.
Nigga, I'm talking about spinning bins.
Man, what the fuck? Light ass cipher.
Where's Tank at, bro?
Fuck it, throw that bitch back on me. I'm a young crispy nigga from the 313. Nigga tried to pull up, he caught him.
Hold on, let me get that clarity on that bitch.
Nigga, you was a young crispy nigga, but I'm from the 734.
How you know?
Nigga called my phone and I'm knocking at his door. Bitch, I need that. Bitch, I need that. Nigga talking crazy, fuck around and get smacked.
Little bitch in the back, her weed smack.
Hold on. Let me hit that little cat. Come and get wet. Big booty bitch. Her shit smack. Don't play you get fat. I was thugging. Trying to cook some. I can't say that yet. I didn't run up on me.
Shoot straight from Balenciaga, but I don't even run.
Freaky little bitch, I'm stuffing it in her tongue.
Hey, we gonna start whooping their ass. They gonna start trying to rap and shit.
I thought we could play football for sure.
One-handed.
Oh God.
Damn.
Oh, move, bro. You in the video.
I just burnt you, cameraman. Give me my money.
Bro, this nigga sucks.
Give me my 100. He owe. You owe, bro. That's how.
Come on, hey, nigga, come on.
You got your ass burned, nigga.
That was a good one.
AJ Loki got an arm.
It's been a minute, man.
AJ Loki got an arm.
I missed this sport shit.
Alright, AJ. Yeah, I fuck with that. You should have been the quarterback the whole time.
That bitch coming.
That's a ball. Woo. Hey, 7-on-7, my 7 versus your 7.
Bro, I just watching that bitch, man.
Fuck no, bro. Who's up 7? Go! Okay.
I'm just goated like that, man.
I'm tired as hell now.
Hey, my nigga never let you go, man.
Don't know what the fuck going on. Long live my niggas out. Nigga, I know this shit stamped.
My nigga right here is behind. He got that good footage in.
Yeah, man, I was behind the camera for the day, bro.
No cap.
You know.
He got some good footage in. Y'all gonna see him soon, man. If he stop playing.
Being from the block.
I'm
here. I'm waiting on him. Whenever he ready, I'm coming.
It's on. It's on. It's on. Hit that bit. What song is this? Oh, this that one.
Watch this shit. Watch this nigga though, bro. Watch this. Hit that bitch for real. I gotta remember that.
Oh, the beat gotta drop. What's good, YouTube, man? Today, as y'all can see, I am running late. I ain't gonna lie. It's about 1 o'clock. I was supposed to be there already, but nigga, I be taking forever, dog. I ain't gonna lie. I gotta start getting ready way earlier. But going to get the muffler deleted today. Finally, this is the best day to get it done. So I never did this before. We're gonna see how the process is and all of that. But that's what we doing today, as y'all can see by the title. Finna make this motherfucker louder, man. I know y'all can hear this bitch right now though, but this is the last time it's gonna sound like this, man. We gonna get some pulls when I'm on the highway and shit, so y'all can hear it. Cause this Hellcat right now is stock. Only thing that's not stock is I got a red eye intake. You feel me? So yeah, you see the looking though. Oh yeah. You see the is looking though. But nah, we finna do that today. Make sure y'all like, comment, share, subscribe, turn on post notifications, man. And yeah, I'm gonna get pulls though, so y'all can hear the how the car sound right now, because it's not gonna sound like this no more, man. But yeah, man. They over here staring at that motherfucker. Ooh, I'm sliding. bitch gonna be, hey, we might get some pops when the muffler deleted, I ain't gonna lie. We might get some pops, nigga. Got a lot of shit planned for y'all this summer, man. My nigga Mo started his channel. We really grinding through here, man. Got up today. We working every day, man. When we not working, we working, man. You feel me? So, I'm finna get this muffler deleted, man. First time, man. I don't know how this motherfucker gonna sound. I want my downshifts to sound lethal right now, man. I want them to sound, man. We gonna get it, when we get out there too, I'ma rev the engine and shit so we can hear how it sounds and all that. But, that ain't no Cobra on the back. Now we can get some pulls in, not going too fast. I'm kind of scared of second gear because my tire's not really. See, like I feel like. Right now, I really feel like that bitch quiet for real. See, that bitch ain't loud enough for me, gang. Wait till you get that bitch. Let me try to catch this gear real quick. Watch. Damn. I ain't catching it. Bitch gonna get a lot. Oh my god, look at that crib. That bitch not even done yet. You can tell that bitch about to be modern as fuck.
They got all that land too.
Damn, that's how we bro. What the fuck? I just really just see the difference, man. Cause this shit definitely gonna be louder, man. Let me give it one more pull, man. One more second gear pull. My tire's not as bad as I thought they was, but I'm gonna show y'all because they definitely are. One more, y'all. We pulling up, we close, we like, oh, 2 minutes. 2 minutes away. When we get there, I'm gonna let y'all hear the last revs of a stock Hellcat. Then you already know. Make sure I like, comment, share, subscribe, turn on post notification, man. Yeah.
She needs someone to lay with. She was cute, but she every function a nigga be having. I know they fucking in every occasion.
Y'all, we the shop is right there. Get a little busy right now, so we gonna have to wait a little bit. So we just came to Dairy Queen. Feel me? It's 90 degrees out here. Nigga, it feel like I'm in a sauna right now, bro. Like, this is crazy. But yeah, I'm gonna let y'all know when we get some, about to get some from here. It's damn near so hot. I damn near want a slushie or something. I really might, I ain't gonna lie. Ooh, they got smoothies. My boy wanna be on the vlog. Wait, let me put my Instagram on. Semi-truck loud right now. Go ahead, put your gram in there, man.
All right, go follow the Instagram. It's Noah_204-83829. Go follow it.
Man, tell the vlog how hot it is right now. You see, sweating, bro. It's so hot. I see y'all running. Oh yeah, let me show y'all. Are you the first person to ask that? That's crazy. They just asked for a picture, man. Oh wait, y'all want to go off the phone or something? Oh yeah. Give me the phone.
Are we taking that picture? Thank you.
Hey, appreciate y'all, man. Hey, y'all the first person for real to ask. Okay. I'm
gonna post on Instagram and tag you.
Bet, tag me, bro. I'm gonna follow y'all. Y'all about to head out? All right, bro. See y'all, man. Good luck with football too. It's the Hellcat, man. Y'all ever been in one?
Huh?
Nah, for real?
I never been in one.
Wanna sit beside it?
No.
You don't wanna sit beside?
Yes.
Oh, I see.
You wanna sit beside?
Yes.
Go ahead. My boy. Go ahead, man.
Thank you, bro.
Sit inside there, man. Y'all gotta get a picture.
Wait, can we get
of me.
pictures in it?
Yeah, go ahead.
Oh.
Want me to take it? Want a picture?
Wait, do like all three of us. Do like all three of us.
I got you, man. Hey, man, y'all boys cool as hell, man. Thanks, man. Oh yeah, my boy next right here. Yeah, it's gonna be louder.
Yeah. Your camera's looking clean.
There you go, man. My boy.
Thank you, bro.
You want some, Brody?
Yeah.
Yes, sir. Hey, y'all know if y'all touch one, y'all gonna be able to get it, right? So y'all might be in the Hellcat soon, man. All right, man. It was good meeting y'all, man. All right, bro. Oh. Woo. Motherfucker look good. Just met some W people out here in Flat Rock, man. W people. Let me get back in the car though. Oh my gosh, it's so hot, y'all. But hey, shout out to them boys, man. Y'all some W's for real, man. They cool as hell. They had football practice today, bro. In this hot weather, it's 90 degrees. Like, it's no wind, none of that. Just got a smoothie from Dairy Queen and damn. But this tastes like,
What'd you get?
this literally tastes like Danimals. You know what I'm talking about? That's literally what this tastes like. I got a triple berry smoothie and this tastes like the Danimals. Motherfucker, him. You can hear me?
Yeah, I hear you.
Yeah, I got a question. Is Eddie there?
Yeah,
I just wanted to see if I can get a price on 2 305 tires.
305.
No, two 305s. 305 35 ZR20. If y'all got those.
Profile tires, we don't have it. Give me one.
Y'all gonna cut these off right here. Feel me? Alright, y'all. It's cut off now. So you can see. Look at this M3 right here, y'all. This motherfucker is tough. Y'all remember Miami if y'all watched the vlog. Feel me? That is tough. M3, yeah. M3. Alright, y'all. All done. Feel. Woo! I'm ready to hear how this motherfucker sound, man. Hear how that motherfucker sound, man. white. Everybody said they fuck with it. Now we gotta get some wines and shit. Before and after. Who's done it? Just pull it
Ooh, shit.
Oh my. That is crazy. Like that's, bro. Oh fuck. Got the bees tasting. You got that on camera. Huh? All right, y'all. We're done now. Now we're finna get the before and after. I gotta get a video of it after the sound and all that shit. So just make sure you can see the car library. This is a good angle right here. Just keep it straight like that. You feel me? This motherfucker so crazy. Oh! Yeah, y'all done fucked up, nigga. Hold on. Damn, bitch, shut up. Shit! They done fucked the game up, nigga! Y'all better stop! Man, what? Damn! So aggressive. Let's hear with the windows off. No, up, man. See my house over there, man? See? We just got the Hellcat, but next we gonna build us a house. We gonna have that sky-rise apartment. Then I'm gonna have your bitch in the cat like fuck. I forgot I was in manual. Oh shit! I be forgetting I was in manual. Damn, let me stop talking shit, man. Oh, let's hear how this bitch sound on the track though. It's a squirt. record his place. Look.
Oh, there's express lane in the left.
Oh my fucking gosh. I can go in the express lane, right?
Yeah.
You trying to catch up? We at the tire shop right now, man. I'm just finna, that's my next video, by the way. I'll let y'all in on a little secret. Because my tires in the back really wore out for real. So I'm finna, bro was talking a good deal on these compared to, what you say, 300 each? Yeah. They want 300 each for tires, bro. This shit expensive, nigga. This right here, man. So, you feel me? That's why we gotta make the grind harder. You feel me? But yeah, man, I'm finna see what you're talking about. I'm finna get that. Let me hear how that bitch sound in eco mode. Let's see how that motherfucker sound. Damn, in eco? Alright, y'all, back again at the car wash. Back again at the car wash, man. I ain't gonna lie, it just feel like I got a whole new car over again. No cap, I ain't even gonna cap to y'all, man. Like, it really do feel like I just got a whole new car. I'm about to get this shit done because I got a photo shoot this weekend, man. Brand dropping soon. Y'all better tap in before this shit gets serious, man. It's already serious, I ain't gonna lie. But y'all better tap in though. But yeah, man, at the car wash right now. Brody with the glasses. Did I put this in the vlog last time? This nigga with the glasses is so fucking hilarious to me, dog. I'm not gonna lie. But yeah, man. I don't know what I'm about to do next. Make sure I like, comment, share, subscribe, turn on post. Damn, Audi. But yeah, I don't know what's next. I'm gonna look over the footage and shit, but I'm pretty sure it's not the end of the vlog. So yeah. Oh, go follow my Instagram page, Not Young AJ. Go follow that on Instagram right now. I'm gonna pop it up on the screen. Go follow that. And let me get the wash, man. Got the air on, that's why it sounds so loud. Let's peep the back though. Do it sound different? Well, I can see the place. I'm about to change them bitches. I don't give a fuck. You see my tires though. Look at my tires, bro. I gotta get some new tires. Oh my god. They told me they want $380 a piece for some tires, bro. Some 305, 35 ZR20, 104Y tires, bro. They want $380 a piece for them bitches and $300 a piece at another place. So I'm about to order them bitches online. But yeah, I just gotta wash. You know, the wash don't really do shit. I ain't gonna lie. Like, look at this. Look at all this shit. The The fuck? I dinner should go on again.